something kinda crazy. I wanna go drive all night with you right next to me. I wanna go feel the pounding of your heartbeat. When we get up high, won't look down, we won't look back. Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I lived like that. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face, with your hand in my hand. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you've never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go, with your hand in my hand. I wanna go make pictures look like postcards. I wanna go take the train and watch you sleep right in my arms. I wanna go where we don't know where we are. Climb something high, don't look down and don't look back. Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I live like that. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face, with your hand in my hand. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you've never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go, with your hand in my hand. Anywhere you wanna go. So many things in this world I wanna do, and when I die, I wanna know you did them too. Baby, me and you. Yeah, I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face, with your hand in my hand.
Tonight we get to add the Texas sticker. So we arrived at KOA and I survived driving. Every woman should drive some.
He's letting me drive,
And she's doing an outstanding job.
and I'm driving I-40 West with a smaller portion because there's hardly anybody else on the road.
She could be a champ if the road was crowded.
I did get stopped to get gas, and I didn't hit the pumps.
And you pulled into the rest area, the
I
welcome
thought I
center.
did do that.
Yes, you did. So
Again, hardly anybody there.
you can do cross country.
Probably not.
Oh, most of cross country.
You're a brave man.
I challenge you women, drive those RVs, pull those RVs. If your husband gets sick or something happens, it's all up to you. But hopefully not. Hope that won't happen. But it does give them a chance to rest. It's a long trip from Ohio to Tucson. So we're in Amarillo. So we are doing Harvest Host at a municipal golf course. We had planned on staying at a KOA tonight, but the site they gave us, even our 29-foot fifth wheel would not fit on the site. We wouldn't be able to open up the slide, so we called the closest Harvest Host, and it was this golf course. And it's really beautiful out here. It's cooler, very cool tonight in Amarillo. It's like 71, 72 degrees. It's a perfect night. What an incredible sunrise bursting through the clouds. This is Texas. That's a nice town.
If you come to Amarillo, you've got to come to Cadillac Ranch. It is out here off of the Interstate 40, and people are stopping while we're here to look. This is incredible. We love Cadillacs. I figure after they planted them at some point they'd grow some new ones, but these are the same ones that have been spray painted for years now. So if you get out this way, definitely want to come and check out Cadillac Ranch.
go very far. It's very sad we can't get up to it. Texas has had so much rain.
Sorry.
It's about as far. We didn't bring our spray paint.
It's smart. She's doing a marker.
We've got some entrepreneurs here taking advantage of people. I've already had my coffee, so I don't need any, but what a great idea. Looks so much like Tucson to me. It's Albuquerque, New Mexico, but it easily could be Phoenix or Tucson, don't you think, Kenny?
I think so.
We're back in the West once again. It's beautiful, but we are Easterners for sure. Southwest, it says July can be really hot, well over 100 degrees. A couple weeks it was 110, and this morning it's 70 degrees, and it's so nice. We have a TST monitor that monitors our tires, and it also gives us the pressure. So if you don't have one, it really is imperative that you get one. It will save some major damage, really, if you had a blowout. Doesn't mean it will keep you from having a blowout. It just lets you know your pressure drops, obviously. So we've been checking that quite regularly, but this whole trip so far has been lower temperatures, and I'm thinking we've seen the weather for the next week. We're gonna, I think, or Kimber, Monday. We're staying about 4 days. Then we're going to another location, and you'll be able to see that soon. But the weather is a lot cooler than normal, and it's just that's the nice thing about the Southwest. It's cool in the mornings, and then it heats up in the afternoons. So we travel early. We left out pretty early, about 7:30, and we were trying to get out at 6:30, but it just never works out that way. So this was our last stop before we hit Tucson, and now we are on our way.